Breaking news overnight, the FDA has now added a second COVID-19 vaccine to its arsenal by authorizing the emergency use of Moderna's vaccine.
The announcement coming at a critical time. The United States reported almost 250,000 cases yesterday, a record high. The fall spike combining with the Thanksgiving holiday surge, leading to weekly record highs in cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. The worst since the pandemic began.
And the U.S. averaging more than 214,000 new cases every day. That's 3 times higher than the country's summer peak back in July. More on the devastating impact of the virus in just a moment. But first, let's go to Gio Benitez in Olive Branch, Mississippi, with a look at how soon the Moderna vaccine could be heading out. Gio, good morning.
Hey, Wick, good morning. Yeah, the plan right now is to start shipping this vaccine tomorrow, getting it to healthcare workers and nursing home residents by next week. Nearly 6 million doses now on the way. This morning, the Moderna vaccine is ready to ship from coast to coast, the FDA giving it that emergency authorization Friday night.
This is another crucial step in the fight against a global pandemic that is causing vast numbers of hospitalizations and deaths in the United States every day. This vaccine met the FDA's rigorous standards for quality, safety, and efficacy.
Moderna will use pharmaceutical distributor McKesson in Mississippi to move 5.9 million doses of the vaccine across the country. ABC News getting an exclusive look at McKesson's 300,000 square foot facility where the vaccine will be stored at -4 degrees. And Moderna has a slight shipping advantage because just over the border here in Memphis is this, the FedEx World Hub, the largest cargo facility in North America where they can get those vaccines out right away. The Moderna and Pfizer vaccines are similar. They both use messenger RNA technology to teach your cells how to protect the body against COVID-19. Efficacy rates for both are more than 94%. But there are differences, too. Pfizer's requires ultra-cold refrigeration at -94 degrees, making distribution more challenging, while Moderna's can be kept in a regular freezer. This difference allowing the Moderna vaccine to be more accessible.
That means a lot of parts of the country, especially nursing homes, rural areas, can now be reached with the Moderna vaccine.
The Pfizer vaccine distributed across the country this week, but now some questioning the process. In California, doctors at Stanford Medical Center protesting the vaccine distribution plan at the hospital.
We cannot be first in the room and back of the line.
They say residents and fellows who work directly with COVID-19 patients are not being prioritized. They argue that out of the 5,000 injections available to Stanford, only 7 will go to frontline residents. The hospital acknowledging there were flaws in the plan, saying it's been revised. Meanwhile, officials at Advocate Condell Medical Center in Illinois have temporarily paused vaccine administration after 4 team members experienced reactions to the vaccine. And another healthcare worker in Alaska was hospitalized after a serious allergic reaction, bringing the total there to 5. And overnight, the FDA saying those allergic reactions could be somewhat more common than they previously thought. They just don't know for sure. They're going to be watching this very closely, especially as that Moderna vaccine rolls out with.
Yeah, doctors keeping a close eye on that. Gio Benitez for us. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.